So who do you interview exactly? And how does that support the person that you want to work with?
What I want to bring in with Think Outside the Stocks is different asset classes, right? So I'm looking at interviewing the expertise in these asset classes. For example, self-storage. So Scott Mayers is, who I'm going to actually talk in a few minutes. So he's that expert. He actually started this whole self-storage education in this country, right? So these are the kind of people in multifamily, in self-storage, in industrial. I'm talking to, some experts, economic experts, talking about market cycles, because there is a lot of fear in investors like that. So I created these segments. Again, the type of episodes is another differentiation that we will talk about one asset class at a time. We will kind of go to the little bit details from the passive investor's perspective, what due diligence that they can do, what they can look for in these investments when they want to decide and confidently invest in it. So just like a surface level, actually. And then we talk about some segments which will focus on the market, the conditions. What are the asset classes to invest in this particular conditions? We kind of have that trifecta right now, Adam, right? That we have the inflation, recession, and growing interest rates. So these kind of topics with changing the market cycles, that's very important as well. And lastly, I do want actually the passive investors to take the center stage as well. Because what's going to happen is that they're going to listen to all these guests, and typically that's what happens. But they never get that center of attention. They never get to talk about their problems, what they face, and what are they looking for. So I am actually in my passive investor segment will bring the passive investors, will talk to them, and just try to kind of tweak and pivot our structure of the future episodes so we can address these concerns that they have.